Immerse yourself in a world of colors, symbols, and history as we navigate the fascinating realm of national flags. Picture the broad stripes and bright stars of the United States, the Union Jack's complex geometry representing the United Kingdom, or Japan's minimalist sun disk, the Nishoki. Venture into the vibrant tricolors of France, Italy, and Germany, each one a testament to their unique histories and shared European roots. Contrast these with the intricate dragon of Bhutan, the bold crescent and star of Turkey, or the Southern Cross constellation adorning Australia's flag. Reflect on the deep symbolism of South Africa's multicolored flag, a beacon of unity and diversity. Then shift to the stark simplicity of Libya's solid green banner, the only monochromatic flag in the world. From the North to the South Pole, these flags are more than just fabric. They're the identities of nations, painted on a canvas of cloth, waiting for the wind to bring them to life. As we journey together, remember every flag tells a story of people, culture, and history. Revel in the colors, respect the symbols, and cherish the diversity. After all, a flag is not just a flag, it's a narrative on a pole waving proudly for all to see.